Right guys, so today we're gonna make some super simple, really cheap peanut butter oat bars. So into this bowl we've got our 400 grams of peanut butter. I'm gonna tip in the 190 grams of honey. Get every last drop in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to stick this in the microwave just to melt this so it's nice and smooth. So this is what you want it to look like, nice and smooth. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to tip it into the porridge oats. Got 400 grams of porridge oats there. Tip it in, get it all nice and incorporated. So we're just going to mix this together now, make sure it's all nicely incorporated. So you want it to look something like this. It's gone really sticky and it's all kind of stuck together, which is good. Grab yourself a baking tray. I've lined it with a little bit of cling film. It's just going to be easier to get it out once it's finished. And you want to just get this into the tray. And what you want to do is you want to really press it down into the corners, into the side. It's going to be nice and compact. You want to try and make it so it's quite even all over. You don't want them to be lopsided when you take them out. So you want it to look something like this. It's nice and compact, really compressed into the tray. And what we're going to do is we're just going to stick this into the fridge or the freezer and just let it set. And then we'll come back to it in about 15-20 minutes. So this is nice and chilled now. It's quite solid, nice and compact in there. I've melted the chocolate in the microwave. There's 200 grams here. I'm just going to pour it all over. Going to spread it all over, nice smooth layer all over. And then what we're going to do is, I've got some salted peanuts. Just chucked them into a little bag. Just bash them up with a rolling pin. Don't need to be too fine. It's nice to have some big ones in there, some little ones. What we're going to do is just sprinkle these all over the top. We've got about 50 grams. And these are salted peanuts as well, so kind of get a nice bit of saltiness, bit of sweetness. It's a nice real balance of flavour. And there we go, looks good to me. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this back in the fridge or into the freezer just until the chocolate's set, and then we can take it out and cut it up into some nice chocolate bars. So this has had some time to set in the freezer, and this is what you're looking for. So this is why it's really helpful to use cling film, because you can just lift it straight out of the tub and just peel it away. I mean, you could just eat that as it is, as one big block, but I'm going to cut it up into some bars. So one straight down the middle. Cut up into our bars. And that's what you're looking for, a nice kind of bar shaped. So I think the only thing left to do is to get stuck into one. Beautiful.